when we start to work, right? And every time what I do the work, see, I protect myself, touch him, protect myself, hit. But every time you just study how to be softer, softer and softer.
どんどんソフトになれるように勉強していくわけです。
Right? So just tense up.
ただ力入れてくる。
Tense up. But sometimes, the punch starts to be, a little bit stronger than your muscles. You need to understand that. It's like,
でも時にはパンチの方がお腹より強い時があるんですよね。
Then you study how to just exhale.
で、吐くということを勉強しないといけない。
Right here.
ここです。
He starts to turn and right away escape. Right? Can you do it? Look, guys, what I need from you. Very simple work. I mean,
皆さんにやっていただきたいのはシンプルなワークです。
One movement, the second.
2つの動き。
One movement, the second.
2つ目。
If you don't want to hit,
打ちたくないなら押してください。
One, push. One movement, the second. Can you do it?
こんな風に。
Or push.
か押してください。
Okay, let's go.